y'all, welcome back to Eat Well with Leisha. Today we are making elderberry gummies. And yes, I know I've already done a short form video of this. And yes, I put that short form video in my video about elderberry gummies, but I need to make some more. So I was like, I might as well record myself doing this and make it a standalone long form video. So as you know, elderberries have a ton of immune boosting benefits. So I like to take these gummies along with my daily multivitamin to give myself a little boost, especially around now because it's cold season and my kids are bringing home cooties and all kind of germs and I ain't got time to get sick. Plus, they're super easy to make. Everything I'm using today, except for my sugar and my ginger, came from Amazon and it's not expensive. I'll link everything in the description. And just so you know, I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you buy anything from my links, I do get a commission. I know we're supposed to disclose that, so I want to do what I'm supposed to do. All right, let's make these gummies.